Hey you guys, I'm super duper excited for this last example I'm going to do with you for contemporary art. So contemporary art can be really anything. You can use objects that you find, recycled materials, and I'm going to give you a hint with different things that I'm going to be using today. It really could be anything. You can group objects. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with things that represent my life. So as you might know, I have 4 kids. So I'm always picking up toys, stepping on toys, and I'm an art teacher, so I have art supplies everywhere. So I'm going to group things that are all the same color. And all these are red objects. I have a bucket here of things I collected just a few minutes ago. So here's all my red objects. I even have a red cup here, but I thought that was going to spill. All right, so red objects, that's good. Now let's do orange. I'm going to do orange right outside of that. So outside of that, I'm going to do orange objects. As you see, I'm kind of making a rainbow. After the orange, what's our next color in color order? That would be yellow. So yellow is next. Actually, I'm going to stand up here because this is starting to take over the table. So you would get some things in your house that represent your life or things that you find around the house. It could be shells, it could be toys, it could be little Legos or crayons, it could be leaves outside. Anything with your parents' permission. Does it have to be permanent, like glued down? No, it could be temporary. And I'm going in here with green around that. And then I'm going to do blue. I didn't have as many blue objects. I probably should have started with blue in the middle and ended with red because I had a lot more, blue, red objects. So that's another thing to do. I noticed that I didn't have that many of these objects. I should have probably planned it better. So what I can do, I can change my plan. It's okay, no problem. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of fit in these other objects. I only had one purple. So if you can see, I'm going to zoom out. You can see my table has red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple objects. And this is going to be my collection of things. And you can do it in a circle. You could do it in a line, but you can get a pattern. It could be all red objects. It could be whatever you'd like. And then what you need to do after that is take a picture of it, and that becomes your assignment, what you submit, what you turn in. Okay? Have fun with it. You go ahead and stop recording.